In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a custom GIF in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right into it. Sending a custom GIF in Slack is a fun way to add some personality to your messages, and it's really simple once you know the steps. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure you're in the right place. Go to the channel or direct message where you want to post your GIF. Look for the plus icon, which is typically found inside or just to the left of the message input box. This little plus icon is your gateway to all sorts of attachment options, and it's where we'll start our GIF adventure. Once you've clicked that plus icon, a pop-up options menu will appear. Here, you'll want to find and select the option that says Upload from Computer. If you're using a mobile device, this may look a bit different since you'll be accessing your device's file manager instead. Now, this step is where the magic happens. You need to navigate through your local folders or your file manager to locate the custom GIF that you want to send. Maybe it's a funny reaction GIF you created or something personal that will make your colleagues smile. Once you've found that GIF, simply select it and then click Open or Confirm. This step is crucial because if you don't find the right GIF, it just won't have the same impact. Now that you've uploaded your GIF, it's time to add a little context to it. You might want to type an optional text caption or reaction into the text field. This step is all about enhancing your message and giving your GIF more meaning. Maybe you want to say something like, "This is how I feel about Monday mornings. The options are endless." Once you've included that little touch, you're almost there. Finally, all you need to do is send it off into the world. Just hit Enter on your keyboard or click the Send button, and voila! Your custom GIF is now in the chat, ready to entertain or provoke some laughs from your teammates. And there you have it. You've just learned how to send a custom GIF in Slack like a pro. This little skill can really add to the dynamics of your conversations and make communicating with your team a lot more enjoyable. Remember, the next time you want to lighten the mood or react in a fun way, you can always reach for that custom GIF. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. That way, you'll stay updated with more tips and tricks that can help you make the most out of your digital communication.